Have you ever stepped into your yard and felt like something was missing? Maybe the space feels too small for a towering oak or too narrow for a spreading maple. You may have heard that small yards aren't meant for trees, only shrubs. But that couldn't be more wrong. Beauty isn't about size. Some of the most stunning trees in the world are compact, graceful, and made for small spaces. A single ornamental tree can transform an empty corner into a peaceful retreat or a living work of art. These trees offer more than shade. They bring character, structure, and year-round beauty. Today, I'll introduce you to 7 exceptional ornamental trees, perfectly suited for small yards. Each one is elegant, expressive, and capable of completely changing how your garden feels. 1. Japanese maple. Let's start with one of nature's true masterpieces, the Japanese maple. Few trees evoke as much emotion or visual poetry as this one. With its finely cut leaves and flowing form, it looks as though it belongs in a painting or a carefully designed Zen garden. This is a tree that constantly evolves, offering a fresh display of color and texture with every passing season. Japanese maples are celebrated for their incredible diversity and color range. In spring, many varieties emerge in shades of soft lime green, glowing gold, or deep crimson that seem to shimmer in the light. As summer settles in, those colors mature into rich burgundy, emerald green, or bronze tones, giving the tree depth and presence. Then autumn arrives, and the transformation is breathtaking. The foliage erupts into fiery reds, oranges, and purples, turning the tree into a living flame. Watching these changes feels like experiencing several trees in one. Despite their refined and exotic appearance, Japanese maples are surprisingly well suited to small spaces. Most varieties reach between 8 and 15 feet in height, while dwarf cultivars remain under 6 feet, making them ideal for patios, courtyards, or even large containers. Upright forms can grow slightly taller, but rarely exceed 20 feet, and their layered, airy structure keeps them from feeling bulky or overwhelming. Planted near a walkway, water feature, or seating area, they naturally draw the eye and anchor the space with elegance. Even in winter, when the leaves have fallen, Japanese maples continue to shine. Their branching structure creates a sculptural silhouette, and some varieties feature striking bark in coral red or green hues that glow softly against winter light. It's a tree that offers interest every single month of the year. Care is surprisingly simple. Japanese maples prefer partial shade, especially in warmer climates where harsh afternoon sun can damage their delicate leaves. In cooler regions, they tolerate full sun and often develop even more vibrant fall color. They thrive in moist, well-drained, slightly acidic soil. A layer of mulch helps regulate soil temperature and retain moisture, but it's important to keep mulch away from the trunk itself. Because they grow slowly and naturally maintain their shape, pruning is minimal, another reason they're perfect for small gardens. 2. Flowering dogwood. If you want a tree that delivers beauty in every season, the flowering dogwood is hard to beat. This tree embodies grace and balance, shifting effortlessly through the year while always remaining visually captivating. Spring is when the dogwood truly steals the show. Its branches become covered in what look like delicate blossoms floating in midair. Depending on the variety, these blooms appear in creamy white, gentle pink, or deep rose red. While the showy petals are actually modified leaves called bracts surrounding tiny true flowers, the result is nothing short of magical. Seeing a dogwood in full bloom feels like stepping into a living painting. As summer arrives, the tree fills out with rich green foliage arranged in elegant, horizontal layers. This branching pattern allows sunlight to filter through softly, creating dappled shade that feels light and welcoming rather than heavy. The structure gives the tree a sculpted appearance, making it a natural focal point without dominating the space. In autumn, the dogwood puts on another stunning performance. The leaves shift into brilliant shades of red, orange, and purple, rivaling even the most colorful fall displays. When winter finally strips the tree bare, its beauty doesn't disappear. The textured gray-brown bark and fine branching remain visually interesting, and some cultivars develop reddish twigs that subtly glow against snow or winter skies. Flowering dogwoods typically grow between 15 and 25 feet tall, large enough to feel substantial yet perfectly proportioned for smaller yards. They prefer well-drained, slightly acidic soil and do best in partial shade, though they handle full sun well in cooler climates. Beyond their ornamental value, dogwoods support local wildlife. In late summer and fall, they produce clusters of bright red berries that attract birds like cardinals and robins. Their spring blooms also draw in pollinators, turning your garden into a lively, living ecosystem. With a dogwood, you're not just planting a tree, you're creating a year-round centerpiece that brings beauty and life to your space. 3. Eastern redbud. Our third selection captures the very spirit of spring, the eastern redbud. If you've ever noticed a tree glowing with soft pink color before the rest of the landscape has fully awakened, chances are you were looking at a redbud in bloom. What makes this tree unforgettable is its early season performance. Long before leaves emerge, the bare branches are suddenly coated in countless small pea-like flowers in brilliant shades of rosy pink, magenta, lavender, or pure white. Even the trunk and larger limbs join the display, creating a luminous blush effect that seems to radiate warmth across the garden. Few trees announce the arrival of spring as boldly and beautifully as the redbud. Once the flowers fade, the tree transitions effortlessly into its next act. Distinctive heart-shaped leaves unfold in fresh green tones, forming a soft, welcoming canopy by early summer. The shade it casts is light and airy, offering relief from the sun without making the space feel enclosed or heavy. As autumn approaches, those same leaves transform again, shifting into glowing hues of yellow and golden amber that gently brighten the fall landscape. Eastern redbuds are exceptionally well suited to smaller yards. Most mature at around 20 to 30 feet in both height and spread, offering balance without overwhelming nearby structures. Gardeners can choose from a range of cultivars, including upright varieties ideal for narrow spaces and graceful weeping forms that add dramatic movement to the landscape. Redbuds adapt well to full sun or partial shade and tolerate a wide range of soil types, from clay to sandy loam, provided drainage is adequate. Once established, they require little attention and prove surprisingly resilient. This tree offers something to admire in every season. Radiant flowers in spring, lush foliage in summer, warm fall color, and refined branching through winter. Whether positioned near a patio, along a garden path, or as a focal point in a planting bed, the eastern redbud brings softness, elegance, and unmistakable charm to even the smallest outdoor spaces. 4. Crape myrtle. When it comes to small trees that deliver beauty year-round, the crape myrtle stands in a class of its own. Often referred to as the lilac of the South, this beloved ornamental is prized for its extended flowering season, sculptural bark, and adaptability to limited spaces. While many trees finish blooming by early summer, the crape myrtle is just getting started. As temperatures rise, its branches burst into large clusters of ruffled, paper-like flowers that persist for weeks, and sometimes well into late summer. Depending on the cultivar, blooms may appear in pure white, pale lavender, vibrant pink, rich crimson, or deep violet. Because crape myrtles flower on new growth, gentle pruning in late winter encourages an even more spectacular summer display. Few sights are as striking as a tree covered in cascading blooms during the height of summer. As the seasons change, the tree continues to impress. In fall, its foliage shifts into warm tones of orange, red, and copper. Then, in winter, the bark takes center stage. The smooth trunk naturally exfoliates, revealing layers of cinnamon, tan, gray, and soft beige beneath. A striking patchwork that adds visual interest even when the garden is bare. Another major advantage of the crape myrtle is its flexibility and size. Dwarf varieties remain as small as 3 to 5 feet, making them perfect for containers or tight corners. Semi-dwarf forms typically reach 10 to 15 feet, while standard tree varieties grow up to 25 or 30 feet, yet maintain a graceful, open structure. No matter the size of your yard, there is a crape myrtle that fits seamlessly. These trees thrive in full sun and handle heat and drought exceptionally well once established. They adapt to a wide range of soils and resist many common pests and diseases. Good air circulation helps prevent issues like powdery mildew, but overall they are among the easiest ornamental trees to care for. One important note is pruning technique. Excessive cutting, and often called crape murder, can ruin the tree's natural form. Light, thoughtful pruning allows its elegant shape, colorful bark, and seasonal beauty to shine. In every sense, the crape myrtle is a 4-season performer. Abundant summer blooms, glowing autumn foliage, striking winter bark, and reliable growth with minimal maintenance. For small gardens seeking color, structure, and long-lasting appeal, this tree is truly exceptional. 5. Magnolia. When people hear the name Magnolia, they often imagine massive southern estates with towering trees and enormous white blooms. But magnolias aren't limited to grand landscapes. Many compact varieties deliver the same classic elegance in a size that fits beautifully into small gardens. Two of the best options are Little Gem Magnolia and Saucer Magnolia, each offering its own kind of magic. Little Gem Magnolia, Magnolia grandiflora Little Gem, is a smaller, refined version of the iconic southern magnolia. This evergreen tree typically reaches about 15 to 20 feet tall and grows in a slim, upright form, making it ideal for tight spaces or narrow yards. Its thick, glossy leaves are deep green on top, with a warm, coppery brown underside, creating rich texture and color all year long. Because it keeps its foliage through winter, it adds structure and greenery even when other trees are bare. From late spring through summer, Little Gem produces large, creamy white flowers that can reach up to 8 inches across. These blooms are intensely fragrant, with a soft, citrus-like scent that fills the air and instantly gives your yard a calm, southern-inspired feel. Against the dark evergreen leaves, each flower stands out like a piece of living sculpture. If dramatic spring color is what you're after, the Saucer Magnolia, Magnolia X Soulangeana, is a stunning alternative. This deciduous variety grows slightly larger, usually topping out around 20 to 25 feet, but it remains well proportioned for small spaces. In early spring, before the leaves appear, its bare branches erupt with huge tulip-shaped blossoms in shades of pale pink, deep rose, or creamy white. On cool mornings, the flowers seem to glow, turning the tree into a breathtaking focal point. Both magnolias offer beauty beyond their blooms. Little Gem provides year-round interest with evergreen foliage, while Saucer Magnolia moves gracefully through the seasons. Spectacular flowers in spring, full green leaves in summer, and warm yellow tones in fall. Even in winter, their branching structure gives them an elegant, sculptural presence. Magnolias prefer full sun to partial shade and grow best in well-drained, slightly acidic soil. A layer of mulch helps keep roots cool and moist, especially during hot weather. While they may take a little time to establish, once settled, they're tough, long-lived, and surprisingly easy to care for. Whether you choose the evergreen charm of Little Gem or the springtime drama of a Saucer Magnolia, both trees bring timeless beauty, fragrance, and sophistication to small gardens, and they'll reward you with decades of graceful growth. 6. Japanese Snowbell. If you're drawn to calm, serene garden spaces that feel almost enchanted, the Japanese Snowbell is a perfect choice. This tree doesn't overwhelm with bold color. Instead, it captivates with softness, balance, and quiet elegance. Japanese Snowbell typically grows between 15 and 25 feet tall, forming a gently rounded canopy with horizontally layered branches. Its graceful structure gives it a light, airy appearance, making it especially well-suited to small yards where openness and flow matter. In late spring or early summer, the tree reveals its most enchanting feature: hundreds of delicate, white, bell-shaped flowers hanging beneath the branches. These blossoms resemble tiny lanterns, swaying in the breeze and release a subtle, sweet fragrance. Because the flowers face downward, they're best appreciated from below, making the Snowbell a perfect choice near walkways, patios, or seating areas. After flowering, the tree remains attractive throughout summer with tidy, glossy green leaves. In fall, the foliage shifts into soft shades of yellow and pale orange, adding warmth before winter arrives. Even once the leaves have fallen, the Snowbell's smooth gray bark and elegant silhouette continue to add visual interest to the landscape. Japanese Snowbell grows best in partial shade or full sun, though in hotter regions, protection from intense afternoon sun helps keep the leaves healthy. It prefers moist, well-drained, slightly acidic soil, and mulch is beneficial for maintaining even moisture. Once established, it's low maintenance and resilient, needing little more than occasional watering during dry spells. Pollinators love it too. Bees and butterflies are drawn to the flowers, while birds find shelter among its branches. The Snowbell supports life quietly without demanding attention. In every sense, the Japanese Snowbell is refined and peaceful. It's a tree that adds beauty without noise, charm without excess, perfect for small gardens, courtyards, or tranquil outdoor retreats. 7. Crabapple. Few ornamental trees can rival the crabapple when it comes to year-round interest, adaptability, and sheer visual impact. These compact trees deliver beauty in every season, making them one of the most rewarding choices for smaller landscapes. Spring is when crabapples truly shine. As the weather warms, their branches become completely covered in blossoms, transforming the tree into a cloud of color. Depending on the variety, flowers may appear in crisp white, pale pink, or rich rose red, often carrying a light, sweet fragrance. Many cultivars open with deep pink buds that gradually fade to white, creating a stunning layered effect. Standing beneath a blooming crabapple feels magical, petals drifting through the air like snow. As spring fades into summer, the flowers give way to clusters of small fruits. These crabapples range in color from yellow and orange to bright red or deep purple, hanging from the branches like natural ornaments. While many are too tart to eat fresh, they're excellent for making jelly, sauces, or cider, and birds adore them. The fruit brings movement and life to the garden as wildlife gathers. In fall, crabapples shift once again. Their leaves blaze with color, turning shades of gold, orange, and crimson, often blending beautifully with the still hanging fruit. The result is warm, festive, and eye-catching. Even in winter, crabapples continue to contribute to the landscape. Many varieties hold onto their fruit well into the cold months, creating vivid pops of color against bare branches or snow. This not only adds winter beauty, but also provides a crucial food source for birds. The tree's branching pattern adds texture and structure during the quietest season. Crabapples are ideal for small spaces, typically growing 15 to 25 feet tall with a similar spread. Dwarf, columnar, and weeping forms make it easy to find a variety that fits almost any layout or design style. They're also tough and adaptable. Crabapples grow best in full sun and well-drained soil, but they tolerate a wide range of conditions. Once established, they're relatively drought-tolerant and low maintenance. Choosing modern, disease-resistant varieties helps ensure long-term health and beauty. Beyond aesthetics, crabapples support biodiversity. Their early flowers nourish pollinators, and their fruit sustains birds through fall and winter. Planting one adds life, movement, and ecological value to your garden. In every season, crabapples deliver something special: spectacular blooms in spring, colorful fruit in summer, fiery foliage in fall, and sculptural beauty in winter. Compact, versatile, and endlessly rewarding, they're a perfect finishing touch for any small yard that deserves year-round charm.